Hello, I am Dhriti R. Kukreja of Excel Public School, Mysuru. I am studying in grade 9 and today I will be conducting a bubble lamp experiment. I will test this experiment in various liquids of different densities. The liquids I will be using are water, saturated salt solution, oil, sanitizer, and also a combination of water and oil. For this experiment, I will also need baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar. The first experiment will be done using oil. So first, in a glass, I will add a tablespoon of baking soda and then I will add oil on top of it. I will be adding the solution of vinegar and food coloring. Here you can see that there are bubbles forming and rising to the top. And this is how it looks on the lamp. Next, I will do it with water. Again, I have put baking soda at the bottom and water on top of it. So I have another solution of vinegar and food coloring. Compared to the oil, there are no bubbles in this. This is because oil is more dense than water. For the next one, I will be using the same procedure but with a saturated salt solution. Again, the bubbles have not been formed because of the lack of density. However, there is a difference. The water is less dense than the saturated salt solution. So you can see that the vinegar has mixed with the water to form a solution. However, in this you can see two different layers, the saturated salt solution and the vinegar and food coloring on top. This is because the saturated salt solution is more dense than the water. The next one is with water and oil both. Here we can see that the bubbles are forming, but not as much as the one with only oil. The final one is one with sanitizer. Here you can see that the carbon dioxide bubbles are rising up, but there is no obvious bubbles because it is less dense than both water and vinegar. Here you can see the final view of all of the solutions. Thank you.